You are welcome to today's tutorial, lovelies. Today I'm going to show you how I made a 10-year-old gypsy gown, a 3-tire gown with elastic yoke. Materials used in this tutorial will be displayed on the screen. If you are coming here for the first time, you are welcome, and to my old-time subscriber, thank you for all the love. So for the yoke or the half length, I have a fabric that is on fold. For the breadth, I have 20 inches on fold, while for the length, I have 11 inches. So I'm going to fold that into 4. You know it's on fold before. I will now fold it again. After folding it, and I'm going to measure the shoulder measurement, 11 inches divided by 2, and I will add 2.5 inches to it, making it 8 inches. Now I'm going to subtract 2 inches from the armhole measurement. The armhole measurement is supposed to be 7 inches, but I'm subtracting 2 inches because this is just like an off shoulder dress. So I measured 5 inches. I will now cut out the armhole shape now, and I will cut it out. Now I want to confirm my measurement. I need 11 inches, so I will cut out the excess. Please show me some love. Drop a comment for me in the comment section about the tutorial or any question you want to ask, and please press the like button. Like this video, please. So to cut the sleeve, I also need a longer fabric because the elastic is still going to gather the fabric. I have 20 inches by 11 inches, 2 pieces to be precise. I'm going to fold it into 2, and I'll place the half length on it. I'm going to trace the armhole with the half length. Going to gather that part of the sleeve while sewing, but before then I will pick one part of the half length and join one part of the armhole of each armhole to it. I will pick another sleeve and join it to the other side. So after doing that, I will join the other 2 sides to the other part of the half length. You can see what I'm doing there. So after doing this, I have this piece. Now the next thing now is to fold the shoulder and the neck area in. I'm going to fold it by 1 inches because I'm using the small type of elastic. If you are using the big type of elastic, you can make it 2 to 2.5 inches, and I will sew it around. I will fold it in twice. I'll go to that part of the sleeve and fold it in like that, and to make my elastic casing. So for the elastic, I have a 15 inches elastic for the neck area. It's very stretchy. It's the very stretchy type of elastic, and I have 7 inches for the sleeve area. So I'm going to insert that into the sleeve and into the neck area. Please like this video. Don't forget to drop a thumbs up for this video, and if you actually derive anything from this video, any value from this video, please subscribe to my channel if you love to see more of this content. Thank you. So I have this. After passing the elastic to the sleeve, now I'm going to pass the elastic through the neck. Please like this video and drop a comment. Thank you. So after doing that, I have the gypsy parts, the 3 tire parts. Now I have 3 pieces of fabric for this. What will happen to these pieces is that the first one would not be gathered. I will gather the second one. On the first one, I have two pieces for each step. So I will gather the second step on the first step and the third step on the second step for each of them. I have for the front and for the back there. So the measurement for the first step is 22 by 11 inches. While for the second step, I have 31 inches by 12 inches. Remember, this is for the front and back. I have 2 pieces there, front piece and the back piece. For the last tire, I have 36 inches by 13 inches. So I would gather it now. So after gathering it, I will bring it back and tell you the next thing to do. So this is the result of the gathering. So after gathering the fabric, the 3 step now, the next thing is to interlock the inside so that the inside will be as neat as the outside. Now the next thing now is to attach the half length. Attach 1 piece to the front and 1 piece to the back. Attach 1 piece of the tire to the 3 tire to the front and attach 1 piece to the back. So after doing it, this is what I have. I will turn it to the wrong side now and I will put the elastic, a 10-inch elastic for the front and a 10-inch elastic for the back. The waist measurement for the girl is 21 inches. So I want it to return back to that 21 inches. I will be sewing the elastic on that line and I will be stretching it the way I'm doing. I will just sew it round and I will sew it for the front and for the back. If you have any question concerning this tutorial or any other tutorial, drop it in the comment section. Thank you. And if you have any suggestion for this channel or advice, you are highly welcome. So the last thing now is to close the side with 1 inch and that's the end. This is the result of the clothes on my mannequin. And the results on the owner of the dress. Thank you for watching this video from the beginning to an end. I really love you. I appreciate you. Do me a favor by dropping a like, by pressing the like button on this video, and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more of this content. Thank you so much. I really love you all.